Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have a HIIT workout. You guys remember, if you've been here before, these dice, we're gonna use them for the second time today. So today we're gonna have a little bit of twist on it. I'm gonna roll the time first, then I'm gonna roll the 3 different exercises, and we're gonna perform all 3 exercises for whatever amount of time this states. So your approximate time is I'm gonna be looking at my clock for 30, 60, 90, 20 seconds, whatever it is. So we'll get started soon. Before we get started, guys, I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas today. If you're watching this, you probably got a notification. It is Christmas Day. Do this workout tomorrow. Do yourself a favor. Go hang out with your family, enjoy your holiday, and just skip it for today. But if you are still here, guys, welcome. Welcome to Fit After 50. And welcome to this workout. My name is Paul, and I'm going to be taking you through this workout like I take you through every workout for over 4 years now. So let's not waste any more time. My clock is going, dice are ready. Let's go for what? Let's call it 15 minutes, 15, 16 minutes, no more than that today. So let's get going, guys. Let me roll the first dice. And this is the green one, which tells us the time, and the time we're going to be doing this for is 90 seconds. And here we've got 3 different exercises. First one is crunches, 90 seconds of crunches. Then we got 90 seconds of leg raises and 90 seconds of bicycle crunches. Looks like we're doing all core. All right, here we go then. 90 seconds of crunches. Let's start there. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. This microphone is really close, so the sound might be iffy, but we're doing 90 seconds of crunches. So this might work out for you well if you're just had a big Christmas dinner. Like I said, let's do this for about 15 minutes or so. Not crunches, this entire workout. We got about a minute left. Stay here, stay with me. Starting off with a solid 4.5 minutes of core work. Completely random workout today, obviously. 30 seconds left, guys, keep going. $20 seconds. And from here we'll go straight to, let me move over a little bit, 90 seconds of leg raises. So stay right here. Make sure you support your lower backs with your hand and keep that lower back squeezed to the ground the entire time. 2, 1, all right. So just leg raises, ready, 3, 2, 1, and let's go, just like this. That's all I want you to do, 90 seconds. Keep your head up and then back squeeze to the ground. So only drop your legs as low as you can while your back still, lower back still makes contact with the ground. Stay with me. Keep it up. Got about a minute left. Nice and controlled movement. Stay here, a little bit longer. 30 seconds left. Keep it up, guys. Come on. So on the bicycle kicks, I'm definitely not going to talk a lot because I do squish my chin against the microphone, and I know from experience, and as you guys probably do if you've been here before, the sound is awful during that time. 10 more seconds, guys. Keep it here. 5 seconds. And switch to bicycle kicks. Ready to go. it up. If you're hearing a crunching sound right now, those are my knees. 1 more minute. Stay here, stay with me. 30 seconds left. Ten. Almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Woo! What a start to the workout. Let's take a little breather. We need it. Oh, hell, I need it. All right. First, we roll the time. Where should I throw this? Let's see, somewhere I don't lose it. I'll just throw it over here. And we got 10 reps. And let's see what we're doing. We got 3 different exercises of 10 repetitions of roll, come on, stop rolling. High-low plank, all right. 10 repetitions of jumping jacks and 10 repetitions of high knees, all right. Let's start with the high-low plank. So let's get in a plank position, then we're gonna raise our butts up and then bring it back down. We're just doing 10 reps, no clock on this one, all right. I like doing random workouts once in a while. I hope you guys are enjoying this one. Are you guys ready to go? 10 reps, high-low plank. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, control the movement. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. A lot of core work there. All right, we got 10 jumping jacks, guys. Ready? Make sure I don't hit the ceiling, and let's go. 10 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A little bit of cardio today. All right, high knees, guys. Ready? Just 10 reps. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, that second round was a lot easier than that first round. Whew. All right, let's collect the dice. Completely, like I said, completely random workout. I think I like throwing them against the wall here. Let's go one more time. And we have 10 reps one more time. 10 repetitions it is. No clock required. 10 repetitions of side plank. So we'll do 10 on each side. Then we have crunches. Well, that's gonna be easy. A lot of core. Side plank, crunches, and floor tap squat. All right, so here they are. 10 reps of side planks. You guys ready? That's gonna waste any more time. Get on the side and just gonna lower the hips down and then bring it back up. Ready? 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switch sides. And 10 reps on the other side. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, what do we have next? 10 crunches, just stay right here. Nice and easy, ready, let's go. 1, follow my pace. 2, don't rush through these without going anywhere. 3, 4, hold it on top a little bit. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, and now we have floor tap squats. You guys ready to go? You should see the preview right now. Let's squat down and just tap the floor. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, that round is done. I say we do one more round and then we'll just call it a day. All right, time, green dice. I'll leave a link to these below in the description below if you guys want to get your own and do your own random workouts. Why not? All right, the time is 90 seconds. 90 seconds. I'll put these up here. We're doing 90 seconds of, let me guess, it's gonna be more core work. 90 seconds of floor tap squat. We just did these. We're gonna do them again, this time for 90 seconds. Then we got burpees. All right, this is a good ending. This is like the finale of the fireworks show. And after burpees, we got jumping jacks. All right, so a little bit of cardio to finish this off, guys. So we're starting with floor tap squats and then burpees for 90 seconds. You know what? Because the clock is still going, let's give ourselves another 20 seconds. And then it'll be easier in my head to calculate 90 seconds while looking at it. Because when my heart rate is up, I don't think very well. All right, so 10 more seconds, guys. We're gonna be starting with floor tap squats for 90 seconds. You guys ready to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Down and up, 90 seconds. Down, up, down. My knees are tight, been doing a lot of Christmas shopping, a lot of walking the last 2 days. I do not buy everything on Amazon. So we got 90 seconds of this, guys. Stay with me. You guys are doing great. One minute left, 1 minute left. That means we got 4 minutes left of working out altogether. We got this, piece of cake. Keep it up. Stay with me, stay strong, come on. All right, 30 seconds left. Keep it up, keep squatting. We're going straight into burpees after this for 90 seconds. Burpee, push up, and a jump. Of course, if you can't do a push up or you can't do a jump, don't do them. Last thing I want you to do is to get hurt. All right, we're going to burpees at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys ready to go? Let's get down on the ground. Push up. Whoop, that was a bad one. That was a bad start. I'm tired. All right, let's see if I can get number 2 better. Push up. And there we go. One minute left. I'm pushing the endurance on this today. A little bit towards the end. Whew, 40 seconds. Thirty seconds. $15. 10. Whew. Let's go, couple more. 3, 2, 1. We got 90 seconds jumping jacks. Let's go. Stay with me. Keep jumping. Keep moving. What a finish. Keep it up. 1 more minute and we are done. Come on, keep moving, keep moving. "30 more seconds. I think we're going 30 more. Regardless, I told you I can't think when my heart rates up. Come on. 20 seconds, double time. Come on, keep it up. Keep it up, keep with me. "10 seconds. Pick it up, pick it up. Good finish, sprint to the finish line. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and take it easy. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining me today for this Christmas workout. If you took my advice in the beginning and you skipped this workout, I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. Thank you for joining me the following day or the day after, whatever this may be. Once again, have a great Christmas. Thank you for supporting me at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.